there, Ma Terry here, and today we're problem solving. They're not really problems, but they may be challenges to the MyMini noodle cooker and skillet. Now I love cooking with this thing because it only draws 260 watts, so I can use my Goal Zero battery and cook with this. Why? Because my little butane canisters, they were for $4.99 about a year and a half ago. Now they're $2.99 a canister. So play the music. Okay, so that's pretty expensive. Now then, one person asked, can you cook soup with this? And go frugal. I am so proud you actually went down and bought one. Well, if we look at my mini noodle cooker, oh, by the way, I love my hat, but I lost my mustache. It must be on one of my masks. All right, so this is my mini, and this is pretty shallow, so it won't fit in there. And this, we're gonna make cookies with it. I'm so excited. The can of soup won't fit in here. So I watched another YouTuber and I bought something. The diameter of this bottom is 4.3. And this is basically no more than a hot plate. That's all it is a little hot plate. So I'm going to turn this off. I bought this, the 2-cup cook set, and it says it's 4.3. Here's the image of what they show on the Amazon. See, it shows on the bottom 4.3 inches. All right, it's not true. When they show the line underneath 4.3, so you think from here to here is 4.3. No, see how it tapers up, and right here, this is 4.3. So if I take my mini, and I wouldn't cook this way, and I put this in here, look at all that wasted space. So I was disappointed. Now I saw a YouTuber cook with something like this, and I'm going to stop the video again and show you what she had, and she bought it at a yard sale for like $3. This fitted perfectly, but I can't find one. But I guess Stanley doesn't make it anymore. I'm really bad at looking on the internet, the inner zones. So I'm really bad at it. But I found something that fit the bottom of it. And if you go out shopping and you keep your eyes at yard sales and everything, maybe you can find something. Now this is my little solo stove. And yes, this costs a lot of money, but it's made for cooking. And I love it because it has the handles like this. And let me get my little hot plate. And it fits on just like that. So now I can cook a bowl of soup, right? I also want to say this does do 260 watts. I'm sure it'll boil water and everything, but I haven't done so. Before you go out and buy anything like that, unless you find something like that for $3, or something like this. This little set with the cookware, with the fire thingy in it and everything, I think this was $70. So, like that. Perfect. That's what we could use for that. So, let me show you one other thing. This was so close. My son gave me a big gift card. So I went out and got the little Glacier stainless coffee pot. And I'm like, yes, it'll fit. No, it won't fit. It's just like a little bit too big. So basically, it's trial and error. This is going back to Amazon. I think this was like $17. So that's how to solve one problem. If you want to use it as a hot plate, there you go. You just got to find something that fits it. And basically, my friends will tell you, I just went to all these different stores with this and just kept putting everybody's pots in it. And I think I do have some cookware up in storage. So it's like, you know what? I'm not going to buy anything. Now then, the other problem I had, y'all remember I did sunny side eggs, up eggs in it. It came out so pretty. The problem I had with how do you get the eggs out? I had a little spatula and everything. This is hot. You got to wear them awkward pot holders and everything. Well, I saw somebody else with a different type of equipment, and this is why I kept going back to Daiso. And at the end, I'm going to put this. You can buy this at Temu. They're dirt cheap. These are called pot holding tongs. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to work. You know, something's going to work. Now, this says $2, so it was probably in between $3 to $4 at Temu, at Daiso. Sorry about that. But let me open it up and see how it works. Let's see if it's an easy open. If not, I'll just pause the video. Oh, all right. It looks like it's going to come out. Allegedly. Hold on.
2 hours later.
All right, and this is what it looks like from Daiso. And like I said, you can get these at Temu. I also found these, you can just do an internet search on potholed and tongs. I found these at REI for $18. And I'm like, no. So let's say I don't, and again, I don't know if this will work. I'm cooking. All right, so if I want to, I'm very pleased. If I want to tilt my thing and slide my eggs out of there, look at that. That's absolutely wonderful. All right, so I hope these solutions help you. I am so glad I got these at Daiso. I think I'm going to go and get another backup pair. You know what? Write it in the comments below. If you bought one of these, I'll Go Frugal. I'm so happy you did. You're going to save a lot of electricity. I believe Go Frugal has a Prius. He has a hybrid, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not going to say that. But yeah, it's like, you know, you can turn on your car for like 3 minutes and cook with this, or recharge your batteries. So like I said, those little canisters of butane for $2.99. I got one of these and I think it was $10.95 over at Walmart. All right, happy cooking. If you have any questions or any challenges, write it in the comments below. And my next video is, can I boil water in this? Isn't that exciting? But I really want to do the cookies. Anyhow, see you all down the road. Hold on, everybody. I wanted to say 2 things about this. All right, so this is really nice, and I'm going to compare this one and the one at Temu. This one, what it has is it has a nice little coating here, and then it has a little thing which, you know, it'll clamp onto it. Wait a minute. It'll clamp and hold it really good. Now then, the one over at Temu, it looks like, now you're going to have to check this out yourself. It looks like it's coated here. And the reason why you really want it coated, if this worked the opposite way, I wouldn't want it to damage this coating. So make sure you get what you want. The other thing I like about this, I love this about the new modern stuff. Remember, you would put it in your drawer and it would stay open like this. Nice. So make sure you get the pot lifter that you want, the way that you want it, okay? And I feel real good about my purchase from Daiso. But let me know also in the comments below, if you do get it from Temu, let me know if you're happy with the quality. I know it's a cheap price. All right. Thank you, guys. I scrolled through the 15 photos and they look identical to mine, so they're not coated on both sides either, I think. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I really appreciate everyone who watches my video. Thank you.